Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up 3 awesome Hot Wheels Lamborghini models. Starting off here with the oldest raging bull of the group, the silver 25th anniversary Lamborghini Countach. Next, we have one of my all-time favorite Lamborghinis from 2013, the matte black Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. And from 2015, we have the green Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. So there we have 3 very cool Lamborghini cars, the Countach, Aventador, and Huracan from all different years of Hot Wheels. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below which one is your favorite, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.